Hi, my name is Michel from Aspedience. Let's see how to manage 6 customer requirements into ServiceNow.com. First requirement, we would like to remove the impact and urgency fields in the incident form. So let's have a look at it. As you can see here in my ServiceNow.com instance, I have in my incident form the two fields impact and urgency, and I would like to remove them from my form. So as a system administrator, I can simply right-click on the header, go to Personalize Form Layout, and here in this slush bucket, I simply select the two fields that I want to remove. I remove them, and I simply save. You will see that now my two fields, incident and urgency and impact, are no longer available in my form. Second requirement is to change the data dictionary of the priority field that is currently read-only to switch it back to editable. Okay, so here in my priority, I simply right-click on the label of the priority, personalize the dictionary, and from here I simply get rid of the read-only flag and I update. As you can see now, my priority field is now fully editable. Okay, let's have a look at the third requirement, which is to create a new field that will be called the course code, and this will be a choice list. So again, from my incident form, right-click on the header, personalize, form layout, and from here I will go to the bottom and create my new course code. I will select the type choice list, here we go, and I will add my field as you can see here. And I will just move my field just below the short description and I click on save. As you can see in the form, the course code field is now available just here with obviously no value for the time being in the choice list. Okay, next requirement is to create 3 values in this field, and the first value that we will create should be shown in red when selected. So to create my 3 values, I simply right-click on the course code, and here I select Personalized Choices. From here I can simply create my 3 values. Value 1, 2, and 3. And I save. Okay, now I want that when the course code value is 1, I want this to be red. So I go into Personalize Styles, I create a new style, and from here I simply say when the value is 1 for this course code, I want the background tomato. So the background color tomato, and I submit. The result of this is that when I select from a list, for instance, the value 1, by the way, that's a pretty cool function to be able to edit in a list directly, I simply select 1 and you will see that now my field is shown in red. Cool. Next requirement, I want to make this new field mandatory, but only when the incident is resolved or closed. So again, from the incident header, right-click, personalize, UI policies, and here I will create a brand new UI policy. Here I will say when the following condition is met, which is when the incident state, here we go, is resolved or closed, here we go, and I save my UI policy. So when this is true, I simply want to create the following UI policy actions, which is to say here, my incident then at this stage should put the course code that is here, mandatory and visible only at this moment. I submit my UI policy action. The result of this is that, as you can see here in the incident form, when I move the incident state to either resolved or closed, you will notice that now not only my course code shows up, but also is mandatory. Last requirement, I want the create button to be available directly in the list. I go into UI actions, I select here form button true, and I'm done. All this with 0 code.